Hi guys, today I'm here with my FabFitFun fall box, which I am actually in love with, and I'm going to show you all of the products that you can put inside and customize your box for whatever you like and whatever your little heart desires. If you don't know FabFitFun and you are not a subscriber yet, you need to check it out. It's a subscription box that literally comes to your door 4 times a year, all the seasons, summer, fall, winter, spring, and it has lifestyle, beauty, wellness, so many amazing products come inside, and it's the most trendy things, like whatever's in right now. So I have grown to love FabFitFun so much. My friends, my family members, all my fans love it, and I know you will too. So let's start, and I'm gonna show you how you can customize your fall box. Also, if you use my code, you can get $10 off today. The box is only gonna end up being $39.99, and the whole box and everything in it is well over $200, so it's so worth it. First off, we have this huge Anthropologie yoga mat, full travel size mat. You can put it right in your yoga bag. So for this one, you can actually pick a mystery item where FabFitFun will surprise you and pick something really cool and just give you a little surprise. What else do we have here? So cute for fall. We have the Stay Warm. It's a plush scarf that you can like put around you. Super cute plaid scarf. I actually love this. This is adorable, super comfy, really cute. So you can pick a scarf if you want. And last but not least, we have a hair straightener. Let's see it. All right, so this is definitely what I'm picking to go in my box. My God, first of all, the color is so cute. So we got the hair straightener. This is definitely my choice from pick one. Putting it in my box. Okay, so this next category, all members can choose something from as well, and there's so many cute things in this category. First of all, we have some detox pads, which are awesome for your face. It helps like perfecting and just giving you some hydration, cleaning your complexion out a little bit. So awesome little detox pads. Okay, let's see what else we have. Super cute, first of all, I love black and white. Super cute wallet from Cut the Cloth. Adorable little wallet you can choose from if you're in need of a wallet. Oh, love this. Okay, from Kate Spade. This cute little lunch bag. This one says out to lunch. Little polka dot lunch bag. Adorable. I actually love this too. And last but not least, we got a cheese board. So cute. You get the whole cheese board with the 2 little utensils. So I don't know, this category is good, but I think I'm gonna go with the little Kate Spade out to lunch bag and put that in my box for this time. Okay, let's move on to the next category. So first of all, we have these earrings, which are like called crawlers because they're super, super cute. You put them in and they go right up your ear. So I absolutely love these. These are actually really in right now and super cute. So this is one of your choices that you might be able to get. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, this is awesome. So this is pure vitamin C that you can mix in like with your moisturizer or wherever you want to mix in. It's like mixing crystals, little crystals that you can mix in. So that's awesome for your skin. Pure vitamin C. Love that. What's next here? Okay, so this is like a cleanser, a scrub, and a mask. Let's check it out. Super cute. And I think with all of these, I'm gonna go for the cleanser. I love a good mask. I'm all about the skin, so this is going right in my box. So the next category is for our annual members, okay? And this is an awesome category too, by the way. First of all, we have like this grinder, salt and pepper shaker, but the best part about it is you don't have to put salt and pepper in. You can put your garlic powder in here. You can put your lemon pepper in here. You can put in whatever you want. So it's an awesome little grinder that you can choose from. Actually love this. All right, let's see what else we got here. We have a body boost gel. This is awesome right before you go to the gym. It's like a gel stimulant. It has like menthol in it, and it really starts loosening your muscles, getting your muscles going. You can really feel like the green tea working. So this is awesome right before you go to the gym for your muscles and for your workout. Okay, from Trestique, I love this. We have like little mini eye essentials. So basically they're gonna give you the brow pencil, they're gonna give you a shadow crayon, like a highlighter and an eye pencil. So you get everything. They're gonna give you a whole little arrangement that looks really good together. And that's from Trestique. Okay, and then lastly, we have a really, really cute little hair towel for when you get out of the shower, which I love so much. How cute is this? I love this little hair towel, perfect. I'm definitely going with this. This is going right inside of my fall box. All right, guys, our next category is for annual members. 3 things to choose from over here. We have a deep relax. Oh, I love this. It's a roller ball, and it's all like for tranquility, to rest. It's for peace. You roll it on. It's going to give you all of those essential oils and smells really, really great. So it's a little aromatherapy right here. This is a face toner. It has like truffle therapy in it. Awesome. This is great for your skin. It's made in Italy. Super great face toner. Love that. And lastly, but not least, you can choose from these gold eye masks. They actually go on your under eye. I have to show you these because they're pretty amazing. They're gold looking, and these literally will help take away your fine lines and wrinkles and your puffiness for before you put on your makeup. So these are awesome. This is definitely what I'm choosing to go in my box. Who doesn't need like gold under their eyes? In my box. So these last 3 products go in every single box because they're all equally amazing and you really do need every single one of them. We have Damage Remedy. It's like a conditioner for your hair, daily hair repair, awesome for your split ends, so great for your hair. It literally like repairs your hair in days, so that's awesome. That's gonna go in your box. We also have, how cool are these? Check these out. These are like little sugar cubes that will exfoliate you. So instead of like reaching in for your scrub, and you can bring them in the bath or the shower, you can scrub and exfoliate your body with these sugar cubes. Everyone gets one of these in their fall box. Love that. And then we have this awesome cream, really, really great cream, lightweight, love it. Smells amazing. So guys, this is all going in my fall box. So much fun. Love customizing it. If you guys are not subscribers yet for FabFitFun, I don't know what you're waiting for. It's so much fun. It's such a great box. It's always valued way over $200. Full-size products. You also get access to their FabFitFun TV, where you'll get tutorials, workout videos. I have a cooking video on there that you cannot miss because I'm an excellent cook. So make sure you guys head over to FabFitFun.com. Use my code. You're going to get $10 off. You are going to love this fall box.